Hi, welcome back to our Accelium lesson, problem solving. Last time we were learning this activity, Who Am I? And that it helped us to ask questions in a good way. Now we are about to play a game that requires from you to find creative ways to gather information. So this game is called Move It, and as you can see, this is a show of what you are going to see once you get into your Accelium platform or app. And I would like to show you how to get into the app. So let me show you on the screen. For example, you received an email that has your username, your password, and a link. Then you are going to click on the link. Click on the link, it is opening. Now let me share you so you can see what I'm doing. Here, this is what you are going to see once you get into the platform. And now, if you want, you can change this into English. And you are going to click on already have an account, okay? Now on the first place, you are not going to write down an email, no. You are going to write down the username that you received. In my case is John Ramirez. And my password, I write it down. You already know your password, the file. Then after that, you're going to click on log in. Log in, click on log in. And there you are getting inside. Now you are inside the platform, inside the app. Now you will notice that you have 4 circles. These 4 circles are actually the game that you're playing. Okay, so the 2 bigger circles are the base levels, and the 2 smaller circles that are like rounded with gold, they are the advanced levels. So in this time, we're going to choose first the bigger circles. And from the 2 bigger circles, we're going to choose this one that says Move It. But since I already started, I have to do something important. So first, I have to put this one here. All of you will have to do this. Take it all the way there. You will drag it there. Now, as I was telling you before, since I already started, it is showing me advanced levels, or it's ahead. But now I have to go back to the first place, or for me to understand, or for you to understand what are the rules. You have to know that this is a really easy use platform. It is a really easy use app. So it is telling you what you have to do. For example, on the screen, it appears a message that says, your goal, clear the furniture out of the mover's way so he can leave the room. Then you click on continue, and it tells you how you have to play. Now you understand that you have to take out the little boy from the living room. Now it's telling you start with that square box. It's telling me to move it to the left. Now it is telling me, or it is asking me to move it all the way down. And then furniture, which takes up 2 squares, can only move along the axis. Table. Now you understood the rules. Now it is asking you to play, so you click on continue. So now I am going to put the piano here and the sofa all the way up. Now these screens are really important. You have to take your time to read it, okay? So don't be in a rush. Take your time to read this screens. It says, well done. Have you noticed that the board is not symmetrical? Let's see how it can help us. If you click on continue. Very good. Now, where will you move a piece of furniture that occupies 3 squares and blocks the exit? Important question. So where are we going to move this one? Can we move it all the way up, taking into consideration that the board is not symmetrical? Good question, right? So it cannot go up, so I have to move this one here, this one here. The piano all the way up and G. Take your time to read this. Don't forget, furniture that occupies 3 squares will always move to the bottom of the board. Otherwise, it will continue to block the exit. So you realize why it was asking you to read the last or the previous screen. Then we click on continue. Let's try another one. Continue. If you want to look for a hint, you can click on this bulb here. Then if you want to undo something, click on here, or if you want to set it, this button. Now, for you to go to the rules, if you forgot the rules, if you don't understand something, you can always go back to where this little boy is, this icon. So you click here and it will start explaining you again. But important, always read all the screens, okay? Now, play for about 15 minutes. Take your time to practice, to understand, and to read the screens. And then we are going to ask you a couple of questions about this game. Now, how did you do it? Did you have a good time playing? So I would like to ask you a couple of questions. As I told you before, did you like this game? I would like to know if it was difficult for you to solve the game puzzles. How did you solve them? What helped you? Where did you start? So these kind of questions are important for us because they help us to understand what we just did, okay? So I wonder if you had some kind of a method to solve the challenges. If you had, or if you use some kinds of methods, can you describe and explain what kind of method did you use to solve the problems? We would like to listen to those answers. So next time I am going to show you, or we are going to show you, a method that it can help you, or that it can help you to solve this kind of problem. So see you later.